Hello, welcome our Gear Research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best survival hatchets that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Number 1, Fiskars 378501 1002 X7 Hatchet. Hatchet manufacturers like Snow and Neely and Gransfors Bruks may represent the history of axe making, but Fiskars represents the future. The X7 Hatchet is a modern take on an ancient tool that takes performance to another level with new technology and materials. The X7's high-carbon steel head is strong, sharp, and enhanced by a low-friction coating that helps it slide through wood with each cut. Fiskars FiberComp creates a durable handle that can stand up to years of impacts and exposure to rain, heat, and snow. Grippy rubber protects your hand and inspires confidence with every swing. Beyond the tangibles, Fiskars claims that this hatchet has perfect balance and power-to-weight ratio. That sounds hard to quantify, but we don't doubt that it's up to whatever challenge we could throw at it. If warming a wooden handle in the sun to help a carefully applied layer of beeswax soak in doesn't sound like your kind of fun, a composite handle is what you need. Every hatchet will need to be sharpened from time to time, but the X7 is as close to maintenance-free as it gets. This is a home run for anyone who wants to know that their hatchet is in the garage and ready for action whenever they need it. Number 2, Estwing Sportsman's X14 Camping Hatchet. The wilderness or prepping for an upcoming deployment? That's perfectly fine. Estwing has you covered with the Sportsman's axe. This steel-bodied hatchet has been a favorite for decades because it's durable, effective, and familiar to anyone who's ever swung a hammer. The slim, metal belly of this hatchet, the portion between the head and the handle, stands out from the crowd because it's metal rather than wood or some kind of synthetic material. This one-piece construction makes it extremely strong, like a full Tang hatchet before full Tang hatchets were cool. We also love the stacked leather handle. It's unlike anything else on this list and is reminiscent of the beloved Ka-Bar, the real one, not the one that got appropriated by the Space Force. Best of all, you can have all this goodness for less than $40. If you have a little more to spend, upgrade to the blacked-out special edition hatchet. This is the kind of hatchet that's been hanging in garages and sheds since before any of us were born. Estwing still makes all its hatchets in Rockford, Illinois. The Sportsman's axe is a hatchet that's instantly recognizable and sure to be a hit. Number 3, Schrade SCA XE10 11.1 inches Full Tang Hatchet. The Schrade SCA XE10 is a full Tang hatchet that's just 10.1 inches long. It's made from durable stainless steel with a rubber-wrapped handle. This makes it both highly durable and comfortable to use. The blade is 3.6 inches long and has a full hammer pommel on the reverse side. The entire hatchet weighs just 1.6 pounds. This makes it compact, lightweight, and easy to carry with you. It comes with an attached lanyard on the bottom of the handle and a thermoplastic belt sheath. This makes it easy to attach to your belt, bag, or hang off a strap somewhere. Schrade is a respected name in the outdoor knife and axe world. The SCA XE10 is well designed, ruggedly built, and priced to move. It's a great survival hatchet that won't let you down when it counts. Further on, you can read about the differences between hatchets and axes, how to pick a good survival hatchet, and the criteria we used for our own picks, and some tips and tricks on how to use and maintain your prepper hatchet. Therefore, do not have to strain above the necessary amount while using it. Also, the swing speed increases with every cut, seeing to it that your work is finished earlier than expected. Number 4, SOG Campax Compact Camping and Survival Hatchet. This hatchet is a full Tang design and made from one piece of high-carbon steel with a rubber grip coating designed to reduce vibrations and allow a smoother, more accurate stroke. This is more of a traditional tomahawk than a camping hatchet, but it is one of the best we've tested. Full tanged and with ideal weight balance, the Estwing Hatchet Tomahawk is a versatile outdoor tool for mountaineering, wilderness adventure, backpacking, and survival. Lighter than a hatchet and even more maneuverable than the best hunting axe or woodsman axe, the Tomahawk has a wide, hatchet-like blade, but without the wedge, along with a picked blade on the reverse of the axe head. This makes it useful for digging, breaching, and rooting. It also makes it a formidable emergency escape tool. Speaking of emergencies, to treat minor injuries while hiking, camping, or hunting, you need the best disaster first aid kit. We included both wood-handled and full Tang hatchets, as well as some composite molded hatchets like the beautifully designed Fiskars. However, we insisted on durability and only picked those that showed no warping or loosening after repeated stress tests. Number 5. Iunio Survival Axe, Camping Hatchet. The iunio camping axe is not just a survival axe, but a multi-tool as well. Awesome for a survival situation, this axe gives you 7 tools in one and the length is adjustable. The axe head is made from high-quality carbon steel, one of the strongest forms of steel around. It's perfect for splitting wood, kindling, carving, and more. The handle length is adjustable, making it great for tight situations or intricate work. As well as being an axe, it also has a compass, whistle, flint, hammer, glass hammer, and a pull rope. You're getting a lot of useful tools in one here, and some great space saving in your backpack as you can store extra items in the handle tube, like fishing gear. Overall a very handy axe to have, but it's not for heavy use, and the head can come loose if it's used this way. Designed from high carbon steel and aluminum alloy, it is a durable axe that could withstand harsh conditions and tough terrain. However, some customers have found that the overall quality of the axe isn't great, with the head coming loose after more intense chopping. The hatchet itself is made of slightly softer steel than many other hatchets. It needs sharpening a bit more often than ones made from harder steel, but still works well at chopping and splitting tasks. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.